Hello guys, today I want to show you how to hide your Telegram phone number. So how to actually hide your Telegram phone number, it's very simple to do. The first thing you want to do, I want you to go to your Telegram. So let's open up my Telegram here. As you can see, we are inside of this Telegram. So once you log into your Telegram account, what do? If you check the bottom right corner, you are going to see a settings icon or settings gear over there. I want you to tap on that settings icon. So once you tap on that settings icon, you want to scroll down a little bit, scroll down. So once you scroll down a little bit, you want to tap on privacy and security. So let's tap on privacy and security. So once you tap on privacy and security, you want to scroll down a little bit to privacy. Then you want to tap on phone number. So once you tap on phone number, as you can see, the first thing we have here, it says, who can see my phone number? You just want to select nobody. Once you select nobody, then this means that nobody will be able to access your phone number on this Telegram account. So guys, this is how you can actually hide your phone number on Telegram. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.